Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek and that's Praveen Nair. And today we are going to be doing, again, yet a simple recipe, easy to make, very quick and really healthy.
Let's go ahead and look at the recipe.
White sesame seeds, 1.5 lime, 30 grams almond flour, pink Himalayan salt, 10 grams butter, 450 grams Basa, filet, ginger garlic paste by Dabur Homemade, 50 ml coconut milk by Dabur Homemade. First, take a mixing bowl. To that bowl, add 30 grams of almond flour. Next, add pink Himalayan salt. That's approximately as per your taste. So I'm going to add like half a tablespoon. Next, we have ginger garlic paste. That would be 1 tablespoon. There you go. To that, I'm going to add now 50 ml of coconut milk. Lastly, I'm going to add lime, fresh lime juice. So that's 1.5 lime. I'm going to mix this well. So now our marination is ready. There are 2 things optional in this. I prefer eating my food little continental and keeping it little less on spices. But if you're a person who likes spices, yes, you can add paprika to it, you can add pepper to it. Alright, my marination is ready. Now I'm gonna quickly take a big plate. First, I'm gonna add butter, 10 grams to the pan, and evenly distribute the same. And then keep the flame on slow. Once the butter is melted, we're going to keep the flame on slow. We're going to rub the butter nicely all over your pan. Preferably take a non-stick pan so that your fish or your meat does not stick onto the pan. A ceramic pan is also nice. Now I'm going to first marinate the fish. So I'm going to take Basa fillets, directly marinate the same and top it with sesame seeds, and here we go. So the Keto Coconut Basa is ready. Reasons why you should have this: because it's extremely low in calories, high in protein.
And that's all you need to keep yourself really fit, looking lean through the entire year. So go out there, subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, hit that bell icon, small little bell icon, that you always get to know about my 6 videos coming in a week. That's going to be on nutrition, that's going to be on recipes, that's going to be on information. A few things that you basically need to know about how to keep yourself fit. So we've got all those things on our channel. Just go to the playlist and you get to know about the channel, how valuable it is. So as it is valuable, you want to share with your friends and family. So go out there, enjoy. Till the time we're going to enjoy this meal. See you in the next video.